Hi, how are you today? I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. If you've been here before, I'm so glad that you're back. If you're new here, I'm here every week with a brand new video for women over 40 and women over 50 who just want to look and feel our very best. And today, we're going to look our very best with highlighting. Welcome back to my series on easy makeup tips for mature women. And I want to be really clear that I am not a makeup artist. I am you. I am over 50 and I'm aging naturally. This is clearly no Botox, no work done, no injections, no anything. This is just me naturally aging. And because our face is changing, our makeup needs are changing, our makeup application needs to change. So that's why we're talking about highlighting. So I'm actually using the same palette that I used for contour because this has contour and some highlights in it. And I will link this palette in the description below this video. But the reason that I like these two highlights, you can get other highlighting colors, but I like these because they're not super white. What I don't want, at least for me, what I don't want is I don't want highlighting that's super white. I want it to be subtle where you just look at me and go, wow, she's got a little glow to her face. That's what I'm looking for highlighter. Now, the reason that I'm using a powder highlighter and I used a powder contour is because you can use cream contours and cream highlighters if you want to. I really find those to be good if you are really good at your makeup, if you really have a skilled hand. Because when you use the cream, what happens is you put that on first, then you put all of your makeup on over it, making it really easy to just kind of muddy it all, to blend it all together, not at all giving you the look that you were going for. With a powder, you put all of your makeup on and then look at yourself and go, I think I need a little something here with my cheeks. Let me add contour. I think I need a little something with, wow, I look like I haven't had any sleep in a long time. I think I need some highlighter. The powder is a little bit more forgiving. That's why I like powder, contour, and highlight much better than I like a cream formula. So the first thing I'm going to do with my highlighter is I'm actually just going to use my finger and I'm going to highlight the top of my cheekbones. Just a little right there. Because my face, like I said, is just kind of filling out a little bit, I really want to draw those cheekbones in a little bit, and then I just want to bring a little light up here. So I'm going to do it on the other side too. Just to bring a little light where I'm getting very dark here. I don't know about you. That might be the same for you. I'm getting very dark in here, so I want that to be lightened up. Another place that you can highlight or contour. When I did my contour, I contoured right in here to thin out my face. If your face is thinning out, mine is not thinning out as I get older. Mine is filling out a little bit. So I could, if I wanted to, highlight right in here, and that would make my face just a little bit fuller. So if your face is looking a little gaunt, you know what I mean? It's really sunken in and you want to kind of fill it out a little bit, that's where you might want to highlight. For me, mine is filling out. And so I took my contour in the last video and I tried to thin it out a little bit. For you, if you are kind of sunken in a little bit, that's when you might want to use your highlighter and go around here. Where I made it darker, you might want to make it lighter. Also, if you have a very thin nose, again, mine is filling out. You know, our nose continues to grow. So mine is filling out. So what I did was I contoured a little bit to make my nose, again, I'm looking at the mirror behind the camera, to make it look a little thinner and make it look a little shorter. If your nose is very thin, you might want to take the highlighter and go right down the middle. Okay, so that might be something you might want to do. Like I said, if your face is thinning as you get older, where mine is filling out a little bit more. Another thing that I do with highlighter is I take a tiny little brush and I go in the inner corners of my eyes. And I blend it in. So when you go in the inner corners, what that does is, and you don't want that super white, by the way, you want that to be really subtle, but when you go in those inner corners, what that does is it makes you look like you got a few extra hours of sleep, where we tend to get really dark in here as we get older. So my concealer is really focused right under here and in the inner corner, and then I like to take my highlighter like I showed and go right in the corner to brighten that up so that those dark circles are not so pronounced. Another place that you can highlight that I like to do is right underneath. Right underneath the arch of my eyebrow, because again, if your face is falling and you want to emphasize that arch a little bit, because when you have an arch in your brow, when you do your brows and you have an arch in your brow, it draws your face up a little bit more. So by doing that, it helps to kind of draw that up a little bit more. Another thing that you can do, again, my face is filling out, so if yours is thinning, then yay you, first of all. That's wonderful. Another thing that you might consider doing is doing right above the arch. And that also will kind of help that to kind of go forward and give you a little bit of a fuller look. I don't really want that, because again, mine is widening. So instead of making that fuller up there, that's when I took that contour, like I did in the other video, and I'm thinning that out a little bit instead. So remember, the contour is to kind of make you look a little thinner, to give you some depth to your face. So that's what your contour is going to do. The highlighter brings things forward. So if you are filling out a little bit more, you might want to do a little bit more of the contour. If your face is thinning, it's kind of hollowing out, it's a little bit more gaunt, that's when you want to do more of the highlighter. With the highlighter around the eyes, I do want you to be really careful, because you do want to get around the eyes to bring out those cheekbones. You know, sometimes our cheekbones are kind of falling, but I want to bring those out a little bit, but I have to be very careful to not get that powder in the corner of my eyes, because I've got the wrinkles, so then it's just going to emphasize that. But I do love to put a little highlighter right there to kind of emphasize the cheekbones where it might have fallen just a little bit. And I do have a fun bonus product for you. This is a great finishing powder that I really like, and I will link it below. But I love this so much, and it has an illuminating finish to it. So you just need a little bit. I'm gonna tap off the extra that I don't need. And I just go right up the middle, and it just gives my skin a beautiful finish, and I don't touch anything over here where I did the contour, and it just gives my skin a beautiful finish and a beautiful glow. I love this so much. So as you're getting older, is your face sinking in a little bit, or you're finding that you're a little bit more like I am and mine is filling out a little bit? So then I need a little bit more contour and a little less highlight. So what are you needing more of? Do you need more contour or do you need more highlighter? Leave me a comment and let me know. If this video was helpful, please, I hope you'll consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Definitely share it with your friends and come over and find me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best and say hi. For now, I hope you go out today and you're blessed and you do your best.